It was actually myself and the maintenance and reliability engineer and one of the maintenance techs that put together some stuff to add to our Equifactor. Have any of y'all used the Equifactor module fairly regularly? Okay. It's really a great tool. It's one, it's got the centrifugal pumps. It's got all of that good stuff in there, even valves. Well, it didn't have something we needed, which was we use hot air dryers. I don't know if y'all are familiar with synthetic rubber manufacturing, but it's essentially what they used to dry cornflakes on. Big apron dryer that goes through and you got hot air. Well, those blowers were continually giving us pain. So I got together with the reliability engineer and the maintenance tech, and we went through and built ourselves an addition to the Equifactor module for the rotating fans for blowers. We also included air vapor blowers and some other things. It was really has helped us out. We ended up using it as a training tool, and thankfully we used it for new maintenance techs, but my IT group moved to the next version, and when we went back in, all of the stuff we'd added was gone. Thankfully, I have it all in a spreadsheet, which I'm going to send to the nice lady that I don't see right this second. There she is. I'm going to send it to her. She's going to fix it and upload all that stuff back in there for us. And anyway, we can continue to use it. But it really helped us out a lot on troubleshooting and really identifying what was going on with our fans. Thank you. Thanks, Jason.